I'm Roger Altman and welcome to Roger's Shop. This is a little bit different. It is shop related, but then again it isn't. It doesn't have anything to do with woodworking or machinery or anything like that. It has to do with a microphone. In this particular case, a wireless. The way I generally make these videos is I use what they call a shotgun mic mounted to the top of the camera, as you can see here in this picture. So the problem with that is if I get far away, it isn't going to pick the sound up. I do use a lapel mic in my studio for my other channel, but obviously this type of thing here and the things I do out in the back and around the greenhouses and the sheds and everything, if I get far away from the camera, you won't be able to hear me. So I did a little shopping around and I've looked at the, this is a Boya BY-WM6 wireless microphone system. I'm going to try it out, we'll see how it sounds, and you can make your own opinion from there, because I will be swapping this out with the shotgun mic after I get everything put together. Of course, I work by myself, so it's hard to have a person on the other end. In fact, when I do work alone, I prefer to be by myself. And we'll see how many of you are old enough to catch the drift of that last line, because it is from a song lyric. But at any rate, I'm going to open this up here and see what we got. I know it takes some AA batteries, so I've got those sitting here on the saw table. Yeah, it comes with what they call a dead cat, which is what goes over the mic to protect it from wind. It wasn't in the case. A nice little plastic case here. Of course, we have an instruction book. We have a 3.5mm to XLR adapter, which I won't be using in this particular case. We have the actual microphone. We have the microphone clip and a little foam screen for it. Got the 3.5mm to 3.5mm plug to go from the receiver to the camera. And we have the transmitter, and we have the receiver. So I'll get this all put together and get it attached to the camera, and we'll see how it sounds. Okay, I now have the Boya lapel mic connected. Obviously I don't know if there's a difference in sound quality. I won't know until I do the post-processing. Looking at my signal meter here, though, I'm hoping I don't clip the audio. This looks like it's a lot more sensitive than the shotgun mic was from looking at the little bars on it. Otherwise, setup was very simple on it. You stick 2 batteries in each part, you turn them on, they instantly pair. Changing the channels on them would be very simple. I played with that a little bit. I just went back to the default channel 1. Mounting it to the top of the camera was very easy. And I'll start using this microphone when I am places where I need to be able to walk around and have a little bit more mobility, and therefore won't lose my signal. At least I hope not. I don't know what the range of this is, but I'm sure I'll never be more than 100 feet from the camera, so that shouldn't be an issue. And as I mentioned, it was very easy to hide the cord. The mic's right here on my shirt. I've got the transmitter pack on the back, right back here. So maybe we'll start using this rather than the shotgun microphone. I'll have to see how it sounds. Otherwise, that's my little quick review of this Boya BY-WM6. No, it's not a Sennheiser and it's not a Shure or some top-of-the-line thing, but for what I'm doing, it should be just fine. Okay, I've had some time to play with the microphone, and took the first part of the video where I switched to this Boya lavalier and checked it out in post, and it did do some audio clipping. I had to dial it back a little bit. The think I've got things dialed in pretty well now. So all in all, I'm happy with this. I tried a little bit of this outside. It's extremely windy today, so I didn't shoot any video out there. Even with the dead cat on the lapel mic, it picked up all kinds of wind noise, and it would have been just a really bad sounding video. So I didn't shoot anything out there, but I did check it as far as distance. Ran a little test video, and I walked probably about 250 feet away, and still staying on our property. I haven't taken it out on the road or anything yet. Didn't drop anything. Nothing broke up, so happy with it. Obviously, as you could hear from the difference in tone between the shotgun mic and the lavalier mic, the lavalier mic I think is a lot more mellow than the shotgun mic was. But at any rate, I'm happy with this, and if you got something out of this, I appreciate getting a thumbs up. Of course, we're always looking for subscribers, and if you ring that bell at the lower right of the video screen, you'll be notified when we post another video. Otherwise, until the next video, thanks for watching.